Hey everyone, U.S. immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori here, and in today's video, I want to share an update with you. USCIS has basically redesigned green cards and employment authorization documents. In this video, I'm going to go over this update and I'm going to show you examples of what the old documents looked like and what the new documents look like. I think you're going to find this video interesting, so make sure to stick around. We're on the USCIS website and we're looking at an article that was posted on January 30th, 2023. And it says here, USCIS redesigns green card and employment authorization document. And we'll start off at the top. It basically says here that USCIS announced today new designs to improve security of permanent resident cards, also known as green cards, and employment authorization documents. USCIS will begin issuing the redesigned cards on January 30th, 2023. Now we'll scroll down to this next paragraph and it says here, the new green card and EAD designs contain state-of-the-art technology that continue to safeguard national and improve security for our customers. Changes include improved detailed artwork, tactile printing that is better integrated with the artwork, enhanced optically variable ink, high security holographic images on the front and back of the cards, a layer reveal feature with a partial window on the back photo box, and data fields displayed in different places than on previous versions. This is an important part right here. It says the introduction of the new designs does not mean that currently issued cards are invalid. Current cards remain valid until their expiration date unless otherwise noted, such as through an automatic extension of a green card or EAD as indicated on a Form I-797 Notice of Action or in a Federal Register notice. And we'll continue right here. It says, some green cards and EADs issued after January 30th, 2023 may still display the existing design format because USCIS will continue using existing card stock until current supplies are depleted. Both versions of the cards are acceptable for Form I-9 Employment Eligibility Verification, E-Verify, and Systematic Alien Verification for entitlements, SAVE. Some older green cards do not have an expiration date. These older green cards without an expiration date generally remain valid. However, USCIS encourages applicants with these older cards to consider applying for a replacement card to prevent fraud or tampering should the card ever get lost or stolen. Then it goes on to say USCIS launched the current card in May 2017 to mitigate the risk of fraud and counterfeiting. The Document Management Division in the USCIS Office of Intake and Document Production redesigns the cards every 3 to 5 years. Redesigning the cards is part of the Secure Identification Platform project. So the main takeaways from that video are that USCIS has redesigned green cards and employment authorization documents, also called EADs. And the reason why USCIS does this periodically is to prevent against fraud and to further secure these documents and prevent against counterfeiting. Now, an important point that was mentioned in this article is that you might still receive the old version of these documents, but that's okay. It's just that USCIS is going through their supply of the existing card stock. And if you have an old version of the card, generally it should still be valid up until its expiration date. So now I want to share my screen with you once again, and we'll go through these changes. I'll show you the old document versus the new document for both the green card and the employment authorization document. Here we're looking at the old green card, and take a look because I'm going to switch on the next slide. You're going to see the new version. Again, we're talking about slight differences. They're not major differences. So this is the new version. So again, going back, that's the old version of the green card, and this is the new version. Now let's also take a look at the old and the new EAD cards. So this is the old employment authorization document versus the new one. Again, we're talking about very slight differences. Old versus new. So there you have it. USCIS has redesigned green cards and EAD cards. Hope you found this information helpful. Hope you found it beneficial. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. We're all about keeping you in the loop with the latest immigration news and updates and providing you with helpful immigration tips. So thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.